Hi friends, I'm Juliet. Welcome to today's English lesson. In the last lesson, we learned about the sounds of the letter X. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the sounds of the letter Y. Don't forget, you have a PDF material where you can check the pronunciation of every word we are going to look in this video. This is the letter Y. The letter Y in English has four basic sounds. The first sound is Y. Y. Aquí en la imagen vamos a ver cuál es la posición de la boca para hacer este sonido. Y, y, you, you. No es Y, sino Y, 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 you, you. Yard, yard. Yesterday, yesterday. Young, young. Yogurt, yogurt. Yes, yes. Yellow, yellow. Year, year. Lawyer, lawyer. Backyard, backyard. Very good. Now, the second sound is E. E, as in energy, energy. Vemos que comúnmente este sonido aparece cuando la Y está al final de la palabra. Energy, energy. Easy, easy. Family, family. Really, really. Memory, memory. Necessary, necessary. Perfect. Now the third sound is I. I. En este caso también aparece al final de la palabra, pero en sílabas más cortas, en palabras más cortas, como buy, cry, try, try, dry, dry, fly, fly, July, July, shy, shy, sky, sky, why, dry, dry. Very good. Now the last sound is E. E. Esta es una I más corta. En palabras pocas como gym, gym, and hymn, hymn. Excellent. Let's practice the four sounds of the letter Y. First sound, Y, Y. Second sound, E, E. Third sound, I. Fourth sound, E, E. Very good. Now let's practice these sounds with these three sentences. The young, el sonido que está usando es el sonido 1, Y. The young is really, really está usando el sonido 2, I. Really shy, el 3, I. Shy. The young is really shy. Repeat after me. The young is really shy. Very good. Now the second sentence. You went to the gym. Gym, está usando el sonido 4 y gym yesterday. Aquí está usando dos sonidos. El primero, y. Y el segundo, I al final. Yesterday, yesterday. You went to the gym yesterday. You went to the gym yesterday. Your turn. Excellent. Now the last sentence. It's necessary. Aquí está usando el sonido 2, I. Necessary to have a memory. También el sonido 2, I, memory, with your, el sonido 1, your family. family. El sonido 2i. It's necessary to have a memory with your family. It's necessary to have a memory with your family. Your turn. Excellent. Hemos visto los sonidos de la letra Y. Recuerden mirar este video las veces que sea necesario para que puedan practicar estos sonidos. En el siguiente video vamos a ver la última letra del abecedario, la cual es la letra Z. No se lo pierdan. Bye.